In this video, I will show you how to add the plugins to WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can actually scroll down right here until we can see the options for plugins. Once you have done that, you can click on this Add New Plugin right here. And then in here, it will actually reload in order to show you the plugin marketplace of WordPress. So you can actually search for some plugins. Some are paid, while some plugins are totally free, just like this one. So what you can do is you can head over and click on any plugin that you want to install. And then after you have clicked on that, you can click on this Install and Activate right here in order to install and activate it. But also take note that you can't install a plugin. You cannot do it if you don't have a plan. So as of right now for me, I have a plan on WordPress itself. I have performance plan, and that enables me to install plugins. So make sure to subscribe to a plan in order to make this possible. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.